Hello friends, in this video I'm going to show you how to set up or configure mail in Windows 11. Either it could be a PC or computer. So for this, first we will go to search bar in your taskbar and type here mail. You have to type here mail. After you type mail, you have to click and open this mail app. After you open mail app, this will open like this. Here you have to select any of the particular option of which you have to put the mail. I will choose Google. I will type here my basic detail of Gmail ID. After putting the username of Gmail ID, I will click on the next below. Then you have to fill here the password of your mail ID. After filling the password, you will see this type of window. You have to press allow here. Now you have to type particular username for your this mail. After this, you have to click on sign in. After click on sign in, you will get sign in to the mail app. You have to accept all these things. I'll click on done. Now you can see that my mail is being logged. You can also log in by the same method in your mail app in your PC of Windows 11. I hope this worked for you. Thanks for watching this video.